Hello! Now we're going to make a spawner to spawn in some monsters. First of all, I'm going to put down this unrelated block. Kill things. Kill any entity whose type equals not a player. Done. We want that in a minute. And now let's put down a spawner. Set block. 2 higher, 10 in the Z direction, spawner, done, button, press, and we're done. We've got a pig spawner. Okay, pretty useless unless you want pigs, but all you have to do is grab an egg and right click. Now it is a creeper spawner. Nice. What if I wanted to change that with the block? Well, let's get rid of this one. We can give it some information here. We give it some extra spawn data. And I will say extra spawn data will be ID, speech marks, and then inside those speech marks, Minecraft creeper. Now we don't have to click with an egg. Much better. We've got a creeper. Okay. He will spawn, but it's not nighttime, so he's not going to at the moment. Now, if I change this to a zombie, so he's a creeper at the moment, zombie, press the button, nothing happens because the command block says there's already a spawner there. I'm not going to do anything. So we see creeper, let's get rid of that, place another one. Now it's a zombie. So we could destroy the block, then place a new one, or we can merge the data. So what are we we're creating a zombie. So there's a zombie. This time we'll do data merge with a block. And whereas it's 2 higher and it was 10 from the other one, so this one's going to be 12. What data are we going to merge? We're going to merge some new spawn data. ID Minecraft creeper. So there's the zombie. Let's change this one to creeper. Let's click on it. It's still a zombie because he said there's already a block there. I'm not going to do anything. However, if we do a data merge, now it changes. Okay, cool. So if you want a brand new one, you can either destroy it, then create a new one, or you can merge data. That'll do for the merge data. Let's do some other changes. So let's put him back to zombie. Let's give the zombie some armor. So after the speech marks here, ID Minecraft zombie, let's do armor items. And the armor items will have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is boots is first, then leggings, then chest plate, then helmet. I'm going to give him some diamond boots. ID diamond boots count 1. Done. Let's go and have a look at him now. There we go. We've got a zombie with some diamond boots on. Excellent. We could then obviously do the leggings. We could do a chest plate. We could do the helmet. Also, we could do what's in his hand. So let's get rid of all of this, and we'll just leave 2, and we'll change this to hand items. Hand items, and let's put something in the first one. Let's put a diamond. That's not how you do it. Diamond underline sword with a count of 1. Done. Okay, let's get rid of that command block, otherwise it won't work. So now you can just see the diamond sword there as he's spinning around very quickly. So now he's got a diamond sword. So we can give the mobs armor and hand items. That will work for skeletons. It will work for zombies. It won't work for creepers because they can't hold anything because they've got no hands. But let's remove this command to make it a bit simpler. So all we're doing now is saying zombie. Let's change some more information. Let's change are how close the player has to be. So we have a required player range. Let's say 5. Now, press the button. What? I am further away than 5 and it's still active. In fact, that looks normal. There we go, it's off now. Why doesn't that work? Well, spawners are annoying really when it comes to setting them up. If you want to have the required player range, you also need to specify how many entities can be nearby. So required player range also requires max nearby entities. Let's just put that at 5 as well. Done. Let's create a new one. There we go. That's better. Now we have to get within 5 blocks and it's on. Perfect. Let's destroy that. Now let's add some more stuff. Let's put a delay. Actually, let's switch to nighttime. Time set midnight. Whoop. Now we've got some things spawning and let's create him and let's go closer. He turns on. Oh, one spawns straight away. That doesn't always happen. Let's go close again. He turns on. One didn't spawn straight away. Okay, well we can force one to spawn straight away if we want by putting in, doesn't matter where we go, let's go here, a delay of 0. Now the first one should now spawn instantly as soon as we get close. Which it doesn't because it's already spawned one. Let's get rid of that one. New one. So here's a new one on your map. When you get close, bang. Oh, it's a baby that time. Get rid of that. New one on your map. So when the first player gets here for the first time, there's always going to be at least one zombie, or it'll do one spawning cycle. Let's turn that off. Let's go back to daytime. It's much easier to concentrate. And let's use our kill button. And we'll do it twice to kill the items. Okay, so we've got a delay of 0. So the first time you go near it, it will spawn. Required player range of 5. You have to be within 5 blocks. Max nearby entities. If there's 5 entities nearby, it won't spawn. Let's put some more things in. Let's put in a min spawn delay, the minimum spawn delay, and this is in ticks. So let's say 20 ticks. 20 ticks is 1 second, so let's just do 20 ticks. And let's put in a maximum spawn delay. And let's say 40 ticks. Okay. And let's put some more information in. Let's put a spawn count. Now a spawn count is how many will spawn each time. Spawn count, let's say 5. If you want to have a spawn count, you need the minimum spawn delay. Don't ask me why, you just do. Spawn count will not work without the minimum spawn delay. So let's try this and see what's happening now. In fact, let's up our max nearby entities. Let's say 50. Let's see if this works. Okay, time set midnight. Let's create one. And let's go close and see what happens. There's one. There's another one. There's another one. There's 2. Oh, there's 1. So it's definitely been doing it between, oh, there's 3. Between 1 and 2 seconds. Oh my god, that's nasty. Let's get rid of that. Let's time set day. Get rid of everyone. Is there anything else we can add? I think that's everything. Yeah, so let's have a look at the command. We have a delay of 0, so as soon as we get to it, it will try to spawn. Required player range of 5, so we have to be within 5 blocks. And if you want the required player range, you must have the max nearby entities range. We have the minimum spawn delay of 1 second, the maximum spawn delay of 2 seconds, and we have a spawn count of up to 5. If you want the spawn count, you must have the minimum spawn delay. And then we have the spawn data saying zombie. Doesn't have to be a zombie. It could be a boat. I think that should work, and that will probably work at daytime as well, because boats don't need nighttime to spawn. There we go. Now we're going to get a lot of boats spawning. Useless. Let's get rid of that. Minecart's also an entity, so you can put minecart there. What about passive mobs? Let's try a chicken. Yeah, it's definitely a chicken, and he's active, but he's not spawning because the spawn check has to be true. I think a chicken might need grass to spawn. Let's put down a piece of grass and see if that makes a difference. Oh, there we go. As soon as we got a piece of grass, we got a chicken spawn. There's another one. Yeah. Okay, so we need some grass for chickens, and I think grass will be needed for probably cows, pigs, horses, all the passive mobs. Okay, chicken. Let's get rid of that. Okay, I think that will do for now. Let's press it again, get rid of all the drops. There we are. So that is how we create spawners using our command blocks. And if the spawners already exist, that's how we merge in some different data using the data merge block. Okay, I will see you in the next video.